Hello and welcome back to our news channel. Students, today's episode we are talking about something that can literally save lives, organ donation. But we are also looking at something surprising, a gender gap in organ donations and transplants. Okay, so National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization NOTTO recently made a big announcement. So let's explore what this announcement is, why it matters, and how it connects to all of us. Now, NOTTO is is this organization. You can think of this organization as the traffic controller for organ donations in India. अगर किसी को किडनी चाहिए होगा, हार्ट चाहिए होता है ट्रांसप्लांट के लिए, तो जो ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ये क्या करती है, हॉस्पिटल की हेल्प करती है और डिसाइड करती है कि किसको देना चाहिए प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे, राइट? So this makes sure that the whole process is fair and it is based on medical need. So every hospital that does organ transplants has to be linked with this organization. Okay, and the system is meant to make sure that there is no buying or selling of organs, which is illegal. Buying or selling of organs is illegal, and that the whole process is transparent. So recently क्या announcement किया है इस organization ने? Students, NOTTO recently announced that women patients and relatives of deceased donors will get priority in organ allocation. They will get priority. कौन? Women patients and relatives of deceased donors. Why? Because there is a gender imbalance in organ donation. And let's understand that better. सबसे पहले तो देखो यहाँ पे कुछ डेटा मेंशन्ड है, राइट? Between 2019 to 2023, 63.8% of all organ donors were women. मतलब more than 50%, more than half, 63% of all organ donors were women. But when it comes to receive the organs, near about 70% were men. तो डोनेट कौन सबसे ज्यादा कर रहे हैं? विमेन. लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा रिसीव कौन कर रहे हैं? मेन. तो अगर नंबर वाइज देखा जाए तो इन पास्ट 5 years विमेन मेड 36,000 organs. Women donated 36,000 organs in the last 5 years, but only 17,000 transplants went to women. Meanwhile, जो men है उनको 39,000 organs मिला है. So this is sometimes called the organ transplant paradox. Okay, organ transplant paradox. कि women ने ज्यादा donate किया लेकिन receive less one. Now why does this happen? So experts suggest a few reasons. First is cultural belief. Families, they tend to sometimes prioritize men's health first. Okay. Secondly, there's a lack of awareness, especially among women, about their own health needs. और कुछ तो सोशल मिथ भी एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं, फिर हेसिटेशन भी है टू डिस्कस ऑर्गन डोनेशन ओपनली, राइट? ये कुछ रीजंस हैं. अब लॉ क्या गवर्न करता है? सी, इंडिया के पास एक स्पेशल लॉ है. इट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसप्लांटेशन ऑफ Human Organs Act 1994. And in 2011 it was updated. So key points क्या है? Uh, let's just look at this. Yes. What are the key points? Key points are that organ donation, as per the act, buying, selling of organs in any way is punishable. Okay, it's strictly illegal. And the whole process should be voluntary. Only voluntary donations are allowed. अगर कोई voluntary कर रहा है, ठीक है? And donations can come from living people or from brain dead. ठीक है? तो जो ब्रेन डेड है, ब्रेन डेड पेशेंट्स है, या तो उनसे डोनेशन आ सकता है या फिर लिविंग लोगों से. And NOTTO has also asked states to train hospital staff, जैसे एम्बुलेंस टीम हो गया, ट्रॉमा सेंटर हो गया, ताकि जो पोटेंशियल डोनर्स उनको पहले से आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया जाए, स्पेशली इन एक्सीडेंट्स और स्ट्रोक केसेस. एंड दिस कुड सेव मोर लाइव्स. All right. Now, let's just look at the global picture. How does India compare to the world? कैसा है इंडिया में ऑर्गन डोनेशन एंड ग्लोबल लेवल पर क्या है? तो स्टूडेंट्स, वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने क्या कहा है कि अराउंड 1.3 लाख सॉलिड organ transplants happen every year, but this meets only 10% of worldwide need. इंडिया में क्या है? इंडिया में over 1 lakh people develop end stage kidney disease annually. ठीक है? इंडिया में जो एंड स्टेज मतलब एकदम लास्ट वाली स्टेज पर किडनी डिजीज जब पहुंच जाती है, तो ऐसे 1.8 लाख केसेस हैं एवरी ईयर. और लेकिन जो डोनेशन है वो सिर्फ 12,000 का ही हो पाता है. तो इमेजिन द गैप. मतलब 1.8 lakhs लोगों को जरूरत पड़ जाती है, और लेकिन किडनी की, लेकिन एक्चुअल में ट्रांसप्लांट कितनों का होता है? सिर्फ 12,000. तो इमेजिन द गैप. इवन अ स्मॉल इंक्रीज इन डोनेशन रेट्स, इट कैन हेल्प thousands of people get a second chance at life. Right? Now, the question is why uh, why there's less donation. So doctors note that lack of awareness, cultural myths, and hesitation to discuss organ donation within families remain the biggest obstacles. Okay, some think organ donation after death is against religion, but most religions actually support saving lives, ना? तो रिलीजियस इशू हो सकता है, तो कई बार फैमिलीज दे हेसिटेट टू डिस्कस डोनेशन बिफोर इट्स टू लेट. एंड डिड यू नो दैट single donor one single donor can save up to 8 lives through organ donation. मतलब 8 लोगों की जिंदगी बचा सकता है. And tissue donation such as corneas and skin, it can help many more. All right. So what happens if there's a special appeal by the family or the government? See, appeals can encourage more people to agree to donate, but the rules for allocation don't change. Organs are matched based on medical need and fairness. So even if a celebrity appeals, the system doesn't skip the waiting list. Okay? तो देखो, ऑर्गन डोनेशन के रिगार्डिंग हम एक अवेयरनेस एक्टिविटी भी कर सकते हैं, राइट, स्कूल लेवल पर, जैसे 1 डोनर इक्वल्स टू 8 लाइफ्स. So, you can think like how awareness, it can change lives. All right. So that is all regarding organ donation in India. And thank you for listening. Next time when you hear about organ donation, remember, it's not just a medical issue, it's a social responsibility. क्योंकि एक डोनर 8 लाइफ तक बचा सकता है, right? Okay, students, that will be all. Bye bye. Take care.